When speaking to our customers, common questions arise, including what fuel to use, how to start their engine, maintenance schedules, and carburetor care. In this brief series of instructional videos, we'll try to show you some tricks of the trade and answer as many questions as we can. If you'd like to see any videos in the future, please comment below. One of the most important things you can do to keep your engine running like new is adhere to the service schedule. Mercury breaks their services into 100 and 300 hour or 1 year and 3 year increments. All of this information can be found in your owner's manual. There are a couple of places you can find more information regarding servicing your engine. All of Mercury's owner's manuals are available on their websites, or you can scan the QR code, which will provide links to helpful videos on servicing your engine. When storing your outboard during the winter seasons, ensure it's fully tilted down. This will prevent the exhaust cavity from filling up with water and protect against potential freeze damage. One of the great new features of Mercury's engines is their service hatch. Press your hand over the dot on this side, push down. The door will open. You can now access your oil dipstick and oil fill. This feature is available on all new Mercury V6 and V8 product. That's all for now. If you have any questions, contact us at Inlet Marine.